Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Friday. So today is bank holiday. So as a result, we can see that there is not much volatility in the market and the spread is also very high. Scalpers stay away from the market, and beginners, new traders, this is not the market to trade. If you're still looking for opportunity in the market, I'll say that better call it off a day, enjoy the weekend, and start fresh from Monday onwards. Anyways, if you're stuck in a position on Euro USD, then let's look at the chart. So this is the 15 minutes chart of Euro USD because 4 hours chart is too slow, too slow for today. If we, this is the 4 hours chart. Okay, things are very critical. Okay, let's look at the 15 minutes chart. Not critical, actually things are very flat with the 4 hours chart. Sorry. So as you can see that in the 15 minutes chart right now, Euro USD is trading in a narrow range here. We have 1.0840 on the upside as resistance. If the same amount of volatility continues in the market, then there is a high chance that if market goes up also, market will be reversing from 1.0840. If it goes crosses it, then we can expect, okay, it to cross from 1.0850. So overall what I'm saying is that overall this is a resistance zone in the market, 1.0840 to 50. 1.084050 is a resistance zone in the market. So if market goes up, there's a good chance of market reversing from there. If you see price rejection from above, if you see shooting star pattern, bearish pin bar pattern, then you can take a sell position. Okay. If you are adamant that you want it to trade, okay. Otherwise, if you want to avoid, you can avoid. Okay, so it's a resistance in the market, and we have 1.0795 on the downside as support. Keep in mind, this is not a good support. This is just a very small minor support from the 15 minute chart. But still, we are considering this level because today the volatility is very low, less in the market. The liquidity is less in the market. That's why we are considering this level. When in the next week, in the coming week, this level will not be of any importance. Okay, but today as the participation is less, so this level will be important for us. So if market comes down to this level, observe the market. If market bounces, अगर market bounce करता है तभी, then if market bounces, go for a buy. If you see price rejection from below, if you see hammer pattern or anything of that sort, once you get the confirmation that yes, market is taking support at this level, go for a buy. Okay, you can go for a buy in this level if market takes support. But during the New York session, US session, if you see volatility in the market, if you see selling in the market, there is also a possibility of Euro USD breaking the support and going down as well. Because as I said, this level is not a good support. Okay. So if market breaks it, if you want to take a sell position, you can take a sell position as well during the New York session, not right now. But keep in mind, for a breakout, yes, for a breakout in any pair, any market, we need volume, and today we do not have volume. Okay, so as a result, in case of a breakout, be careful, observe the market. If you see that selling pressure is high enough, then only take a sell position, otherwise avoid. And as I already said, that today it's not a good day to trade. And then we have support around 1.07 1.0760, 1.0750. This is a support zone in the market. So if market comes down to this level, we can expect that market will get some support and market will bounce. If you want to take a buy, you can also take a buy position as well for today only. This analysis for today only. Let's see whether market closes, and then I'll be coming up by tomorrow with the analysis for the coming. Okay, so be careful, follow proper risk management. Bye bye. Take care.